In this section I am going to demonstrate how to do virtual hosting in an Apache server. For that I am using two sites. The term virtual hosting means hosting multiple sites using a single IP address. For example, here this system is having an IP address 192.168.0.5. This system is having an IP address like this, and it is having two names. One is station5.example.com and another name is www.5.example.com. This name is provided by using the DNS server. So this system is depending on another DNS server. So DNS server is providing these two names. So as an example of virtual hosting, I am hosting two sites by using single IP address. So for that you have to install a package install httpd. Then make the daemon permanently on. Then start the service httpd, restart. Then open the configuration file etc httpd conf httpd.conf. Open the configuration file, move to the last part of the file, which is the virtual hosting section. Then copy this line, copy this 7 lines, then remove the hash, we require only this much line. We reckon only this much line. Then instead of this star we have to give the IP address 192.168.0.5. then again star 192.168.0.5. then the document root for the site /var/www/html. then the site name I am giving as station5.example.com. so for this site the web page is stored in this document root /var/www/html, and the name of the web page should be always index.html. so that is specified in this configuration file itself. Okay, and for the second site, copy this para again, 4 lines, 4yy p. Then document root I am changing as virtual virtual, and the site name as www.5.example.com. say that using syntax checker httpd-a. It is showing a warning that the document root /var/www/virtual does not exist. So you have to create that directory /var www virtual. Then you have to create the web pages for each site. For example, I am creating for the station 5, I am creating /var/www/html. in this I am creating a file html. I am creating a web page html. Close. So station 5.example.com. see that. Then next I am going to create a web page /var/www/virtual. in that I am going to create a file index.html. that is for site www.file.example.com, HTML, www.5.example.com. then start the service pd restart. So now the web server is ready. Next is testing. You can test it by typing site station5.example.com. we should get the web page corresponding to that site, that is station5.example.com. then www.5.example.com, we are getting the web page corresponding to that site. Now the virtual hosting is working properly. Next is protecting the web page by using a username and password. That means the web page, you will get the web page only by providing the user account information and authentication information. So for that we can secure the web page. We can secure the web page corresponding to station5.example.com. etc, open the configuration file, etc httpd conf httpd.conf. go to the last section. In this section I am going to secure the station 5 website. So for that I had to add authcon authconfig, sorry, hello override authconfig, hello override authconfig. You have to provide an entry like this: hello override authconfig. Say that, then service httpd restart. It is showing some syntax error. Just see by using syntax error. Allow override are not allowed here. So you have to use this option here, then only it will work. We are protecting a web page now, so directory paste here, and this directory we are going to secure var www/html. save. Now syntax expected slash directory, yeah. So one more, yeah, give slash directory service. Now the syntax is set. So what you have to add is to secure the web page, what you have to add is just provide an entry, directory tab, then directory closing, then this is the directory /var/www/html. this directory is corresponding to the site station5.example.com, and we are protecting this site by using the authentication details. Okay, then the next thing is you have to add an entry. You have to create a file inside that directory. So cd/var www.html. So in this directory we have to create a file .htaccess.htaccess with the following content. First content is auth, just an authorization name, auth authorization name, auth name, restricted, restricted, just give a message. Then type auth type, that is basic authentication, basic, then auth user file. This is the file which contain the password for the corresponding user. www/mypass, then require space valid-user. That means you have to give the corresponding username and the corresponding password, then only you will get the web page. So require a valid user. Save this, then you have to create a file ht password -c /var www my pass space a username. For example, I am giving a username as Red Hat 1. It is asking the password. Give the password as Red Hat. Okay, that user is created. You can see that a file is created under this directory var www. An entry is created inside this file. Okay, then service httpd restart. Try to access the web page station5.exam.com. Sorry, station 5 you have to type. Now it is asking the password, so you have to give the username Red Hat 1, then the password Red Hat. So this is the way you can secure a web page by using the username and the password.